Hello, my artist friends, those who love anime, like me. Today, we are going to draw some of the popular characters of Sanrio. Let's start with my melody. A simple but cute design. She's a white rabbit who loves baking cakes. We use pink and red colors for coloring. Special black dress and hat that kids love very much. She also has a skeleton symbol on her hat. We use black color to color it. The pink color also makes her dress more beautiful. Now we are going to draw Hello Kitty together. The favorite character of many kids. We also use happy red and pink colors for coloring. She's my Melody's best friend. We will draw the character Cinnamoroll together. A white dog with long ears and blue eyes. We will draw the character Pompompurin. Pompom is a golden dog with a brown hat. He loves caramel pudding. They are so beautiful. If you like this video, Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, my friends.